So you guys have been asking me where I get all of my favorite pieces from that all of you love in my videos. Well, this is the source right here, and I cannot wait to show you inside. I'm really hoping that they have a lot of stock in right now because I haven't been in to see what's in there. So let's go have a look together. I have a few projects that I need pieces for, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed. So let's go see what's inside for us. I usually like to start at one end of the store, and I always have in mind all of the pieces I need. So I kind of skim through and see what's interesting. So let's go have a look. Well, you can see spring is in full action because look at all these cute stuff. Oh my God, I love these. All the bright and airy colors are out, all the pastels. So anybody looking to redo their house for the springtime, right now is the time to start looking because this is when inventory is full. This is so cute. This is like a cake. Oops, let's not break things. This is like a cake plate, I guess. Put like cupcakes. Oh my God, I'm about to break everything. Okay, let's get out of here before we get into trouble. So I'm looking to restock some of my inventory. The warehouse is getting pretty sparse and I feel like I need some new stuff. So I heard that they've restocked here and I'm excited to see what's in store for us because already I'm seeing some cute stuff that I could definitely use. I love searching for lamps here because they're really cost effective and they look amazing. And as you can see, there are a lot of brands like Tommy Hilfiger and so many others that I love to find here. I'm looking for lights for a client of mine for a spare bedroom. Don't want to spend too much money, so I think this is the perfect place for it, and hopefully we can find something because you see like so many variety of different styles. These are actually pretty amazing. Wow, I really like this. This would be cool for my own inventory. And I bet you if I were to use this at a project, you guys would be like, oh my God, where did you get that lamp? And guess what? At my home sense. Let's see how much they are. They always put the prices in the trickiest spots. $149, and I bet you anything if you were to buy this at a store, and it's quite heavy, like it's actually stone. If you were to buy this at a store, it would be minimum like $400, $450. I'm gonna grab these two because I really like them and I feel like I could use these in a living room and on a bedside table, and they're really grand and they look luxurious. So usually when I come here, I end up filling up like 2 to 3 carts. I sometimes annoy the employees because I have so many of them. They usually like block off an aisle for me. But this is what happens. Like when I'm looking to restock, I come in here and I see things. It's like one of those things you got to pick it and go, because if you don't and you walk away and come back, it might not be there anymore, just like I took these. So let's go for more. Oh, I like these. So I have these already in the silver, but these are kind of like in the gold finish. So I didn't find anything for my client. Let's go on the next aisle and see if we can see anything there for her. I don't really find, not seeing anything in particular that's interesting me for her project. I think we should step away from the lamps and move over to some throw pillows because I feel like throw pillows are something I'm always missing in my inventory. Neutrals. Coming into the pillow section always makes me feel so like cozy or wanting to have a pillow fight because it's so tempting. They're just so neatly stacked here. I don't want to ruin anything. But I'm seeing a few that I like. Love to use this one on sofas and in bedrooms, especially in like the primary bedroom because they're so big and plush. Already look at my cart. You see harmony. We have the whites, we have the golds, some metallic, and it's running in my lamp too. So already I'm creating a space. I really like this. Okay, so whenever I see a pillow like this interests me because it's not a boring, just a plain pillow. You have the double sides. So even when you were to karate chop it, you would see the 2 tones, which gives it dimension. Or you can use it, just flatten it up and try to use the one side if you just need the one tone. But I like it because it's versatile and it can be used in most spaces. So this is a good one. And look guys, you get this one, it's 2 of them for free because there's no price. Okay, seriously, there's no price. We have to go check out the cash. But usually when they have the 2 for 1, it runs about like $29.99 or $39.99. So this is a good buy. I really like this one too. And again, I'm feeling the harmony between all of my pillows right now. This one has a little bit of a print, which is nice. So it's not like a one solid color. And it has dimension and it creates a little bit of impact. Even if you put it with the black side or the white linen side, both of them have a nice feel to it. Each one to their own with their own space, I would say, but this is definitely a nice combination already with the 3 pillow styles that I have going on. One cart ready to go. Ready for the next cart? So let's grab our second cart, cart number 2. I really want to go see the furniture because I already saw some pieces I'm interested in. Let's go have a peek. So this is my go-to place when I need pieces and right away, because when I come here, I usually find pieces that are different that I don't have from my regular suppliers. And this place is basically like an all-in-one. They bring all of the different manufacturers and suppliers together in this one store. Well, they have multiples around the country. They bring it in, the prices are less, they look fantastic, and it's the original. So if a store cannot sell a piece of furniture and they have a bulk of it, say, however many quantity, they'll sell it to this facility and they will bring it out to the public. So I might not have access to a lot of these pieces if I go straight to the manufacturer, but coming here, you can find a lot of great pieces. I mean, like, look at these end tables. I have not seen any of my manufacturers have pieces like this, and they're very different. I'm excited to see what's on the other side. Let's go look. Oh my God, look at these guys. This is amazing. Even as like a prop, in a room, in an office, by a window, and they're only selling for 70 bucks. That's amazing. So this is where you come to find original pieces, right? Like things that you cannot find at your regular furniture store. And they're all like different styles. You have a lot of the modern, contemporary, traditional, eclectic, farmhouse, country. I mean, it's all under one roof. So whatever your style is, I'm sure you'll find something in here. So I'm actually looking for a sectional, a small one. However, I always tell you guys, I like modular pieces, and this piece is not modular. I bought one from here before that the ottoman piece is actually cut off so you can put it on the left side or the right side. You guys have seen me use it in my projects before. However, this one confines you because it's built a certain way and it stays like this. You cannot flip it depending on your room. I mean, if you're looking to buy something for your own house, great, and it works. But for styling, staging purposes, every house is different. Configurations have to change. So this piece will not make sense for my needs, at least. It's a nice one. This is another sectional, but again, this one is not. See, it's actually like if the sofa was separate from this arm piece, then you could flip it around, but it's not. So this won't work either, even though it's a nice one. And I have some sofas in this fabric. It's like an ultra suede, and it's nice because when it goes into people's homes and it gets dirty, you can easily wipe it off and clean it. So I didn't have much luck with the furniture side. Not too many pieces that I need that I found right now. So we're gonna hold off on that and maybe even go to another one, because about 10 minutes from here, there's another location. So I like to switch between the two stores. If I don't find something at the one store, I hop on my car and I go to the next one. So no furniture on this side. However, we still have headboards to check out. So guys, this is where I find some of my last minute art. If I'm missing pieces for art at a project, I usually come here and I keep my fingers crossed that I can find stuff. But right now I'm seeing some cool pieces that they have. So again, like nice canvases already framed. So you have like the canvas that's not framed. To me, looks a little bit unfinished. I like to frame all of my art. So this one comes already framed. Very cool looking. I love the colors, and I feel like it's neutral enough that I can use it in my projects. So that's a really nice one. And we have two that are matching here. Let's see what this is about. I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit dull. Most of our homes, you guys have noticed, have white walls. So we like to do pieces that are a little bit more, have a little bit more impact. I like this one. I feel like that's nice. Wish it had a buddy to go with it, like a match, so I can do on big walls. I can put 1 and 2 and it'll fill up a wall instead of doing one big one. but it on its own, even on like a 4-foot wall, it would look nice. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. I'm gonna take my chance, walk around. If it's still here, then it's meant for me. If not, then it wasn't meant to be mine. And here it is, the mother of them all. I actually have like 2 pieces in this color scheme, and I know you guys have seen it in my videos and have loved it, but wow, it's here at the store. I might just get another one, and it looks like it's on sale, so that's always nice. And we have another cool green one behind it. Let me see if I'm strong enough to move this around. That's a nice one too. I don't have a lot of green in my inventory, but I feel like with spring and summer coming, this could definitely be a piece that we can use often. Should we add it? What do you guys think? Do you like the colors? It's neutral, has a little pop of color. I feel like it's stepping out of my comfort zone, but I like it. I might just get it. Something to think about. One of those tours, and then we'll come back and see if it's here for us. Okay, one of my favorite things is accessory shopping, and guys, look at this. I feel like I'm in my warehouse right now with all of my shelves and my accessories. Well, this is pretty much where I get all of my accessories from. I think they recently just restocked, and I'm loving everything I'm seeing. A lot of the gold mixed with the white, which is really cool. However, I see a lot of damage going on, so you got to be careful with the pieces that you choose. But this is definitely a nice bold wall to look at with all of the blacks and the whites. These are all so cool, like for wall units. I get them from here, and then we find them on Like to Know It. So make sure you check out the app on Like to Know It, Style with Sanaz, because we find all of these there for you guys, and you guys can have access to it too. But I'm gonna grab these two because I feel like on a shelf they'll work really well. When you are shopping in a space like this, when everything is so jam-packed in together, you gotta go like really behind and find your pieces. But guys, check these out. I think they're really cute for on top of coffee tables or end tables, or even on like wall units with books and stuff, to create some drama, some contrast. And I have these already, which I like to fill up more of because we use them quite a bit on coffee tables. So this is a good set of pieces I found. This is so much fun. I'm loving all of these colors. So bright and cheerful. And a lot of, oh, another piece that I found. See, you got to keep your eye constantly revolving when you're in spaces like this, because in every little corner there could be something. Here, found another matching piece of this, which I can use with my third piece. Maybe I'll just get the 2 because I feel like 3 big pieces on one table is too much. So we'll do 2, and I have like little ones at the warehouse I can match it up with. I also saw this, my eye caught this. For an end table, for like somewhere that you need to fill up a space. Console table, this will definitely work out. And I bet you guys, if you keep watching our videos, you're gonna see these pieces coming up in our styling projects. This is definitely gonna be a favorite. I hope I can find one more because it would be nice to have 2 of them. Oh, we found it. Found 2 of them matching and ready to be styled in Sanaz's projects. Look at this, it's perfect. Good find, definitely a good find. I actually was looking for something like this for my own cottage because I like to put my, like the bath salts in something, and I think this is kind of pretty, and it has the black and clear theme going, which would be nice for our space there. So I'm gonna grab one of them and add it to my little decorative window that I have there with all my bath stuff, bath supplies. So that's a check mark on my list. So I'm gonna check out now because I've pretty much scouted the whole store, picked out all of the pieces that I needed. So what I usually like to do is myself, I personally mentally have a list. And I know, like for example, I have this person that I need like artwork for, or I need pillows and white accessories for the warehouse, which means for a project, or I'm just replenishing my inventory. So I mentally have a list of that. So you guys can either physically make a list, put it on your phone, or just like me, have it in your head, have an idea. And then once you actually come to the store, let the store inspire you, because you see so many pieces that you thought that, you know, you might have not needed, but you can imagine it in your projects and it goes with your style. Don't let it go, because I told you, when you come back, it might not be here. So if you do see that one-of-a-kind piece, definitely pick it up. I feel like we found some nice pieces that I'm sure you guys will catch in our projects coming up. So be sure to check out our videos and to check out the Like to Know It app, because a lot of these accessories are marked in there. We take the time to find them for you. I'm gonna check out now and head on with my day. I have a lot planned for the rest of my day, lots of projects coming up, lots of videos coming up, so make sure you guys stay tuned.